Hi everyone, it's your friendly editor Nems. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do a circle crop, a square crop, and a rectangle crop all within Premiere Pro. So to start off, when you are in Premiere Pro, go to the footage that you want to crop and make sure that's on top of your screen recording. Then in the effects panel, type in circle. And this is for the circle crop that we are going to do. Drag the circle effect to your footage. And then in your effects control, change the blending mode from none to stencil alpha. Once you have done that, go to radius and just increase your circle to your liking. Then on center, align it to where you want it in your footage. So I'm just gonna align it to my face. And by the way, this is footage from an upcoming video that I'm going to post on my reaction channel called Nems Reacts. So if you're curious about it, go check it out. I have tons of engaging videos that I'm sure you'll enjoy, where you can watch reactions to my favorite shows. Anyways, once you have adjusted your circle crop to your liking, if you want to add a stroke, all you have to do is simply go back to the effects panel and you're gonna type in paint bucket. Once you find the paint bucket effect, drag it to your clip. Now, I know right now it kind of looks scary what just happened, but don't worry, we're gonna fix that and it's gonna look great. So to adjust this effect, all you're gonna wanna do is go to Fill Selector and select the Alpha Channel option. Once you have done that, go to where it says Stroke and select the Stroke option. And voila, you made a stroke for your crop circle. If you want to adjust your stroke, like you want to make it bigger, all you have to do is go to stroke width and just increase it. Or if you want to make it smaller, you can decrease it. And that's how you make a crop circle for your video on YouTube within Premiere Pro. Now I'm going to quickly show you how you would do a square crop or a rectangle crop real quick. It's really simple, really. So all you have to do is select your footage and make sure it's on top of your screen recording. And then go to the effects panel and type in crop. So you're going to want to select the crop effect and drag it to your clip. Once you have done that, go to your effects control and then crop the edges of your footage. So what I mean by that is you can crop the left side of your footage and then the right side of it to your liking, and then crop the top and bottom of your footage as well if you want it to work for your stroke effect. So now that we have cropped our footage, we are going to go to the motion effect and we're just going to scale down our clip a little bit. Once you have done that, go back to the paint bucket effect and drag it to your clip. And the same rules apply as the crop circle effect that we did earlier. So go to Fill Selector and select Alpha Channel, and then go to Stroke and select the Stroke option. And then you can choose to increase or decrease your stroke. But as you can see on my footage, the bottom of it doesn't have the stroke. That's because I didn't crop the bottom enough. So all you're going to want to do for that is just go back to your cropped effect, and we're just going to crop a little bit of the bottom, just like that. I'm good with that. And that's how you would do the square cropped effect in Premiere Pro, or at least that's the way I go about doing it. I find that's the simplest way and the best way. And again, the same rules would apply if you want to do a rectangle crop effect. So just to show you real quick for the rectangle crop, all you would have to do is go back to your cropped effect. For your left crop, just leave a bit more space. And for the right crop, a little bit more space as well. And that's just how you would do a rectangle. Another cool trick that I can show you, if you are reacting to something and you just want like the footage of you reacting to be shown and you want the background to be blurry, all you have to do is go to the effects panel, type in blur, and then the camera blur effect will show up. You are going to drag that underneath the footage you're reacting to, and that's it. All right, well, that's it for this video. I hoped you all enjoyed it, and I hope you found it insightful. Let me know in the comments if there's any other questions that you have or anything else that you're interested in knowing. And hey, while I have you here, why don't you go check out my reaction channel? You'll be able to see all the videos that I've personally edited. It'll just be available for you in the description of this video.